On the eve of International Human Rights Day, an event has been organized, which is a collective of citizens and social justice right groups. It is a 2-day event filled with art, with its artists, screenings, and various live events. The focus of the event is to enable people to see the links between personal and political resistance and the interconnections of all struggles.
Today we are commemorating the International Human Rights Day, and we're celebrating rights and justice for all. We're a group that advocates for pluralism. We're a part of a group that's called Bahutva Karnataka, and we believe that India is a country for all, irrespective of what identity you hold, where you come from, what languages you speak, what God you worship. And we feel that rights are under threat in this country right now, that some people have access, some groups have access to different kinds of rights, and it's not equal for all. So we wanted to come here to take space and to claim our right to equal rights. We are here celebrating the Constitution. We are here celebrating all our rights to love as we want, marry as we want, choose to dress and work, and the right to access fair trial, the right to justice, the right to be heard, the right to be listened to. Our leaders need to listen, our people need to listen. That's what we're here to celebrate. We're commemorating various different kinds of rights movements through the years, the women's movements, the queer movements, workers' movements, the BK, Bhima Koregaon 16, the political prisoners who've been in prison for dissenting against the regime. We're celebrating all of our rights to be free citizens. And we believe that to be silent in a context where rights are under threat, Adivasi rights, Dalit rights, Muslim rights, women's rights are under threat. To be silent in that context is not how we want to be. It's not how we see ourselves being citizens of the country.
Hello, my name is Nikhu Azad. I'm from Iran, and today I'm here to celebrate the Human Rights Day with my Indian friends. I had another plan in my mind, but because of the raining, I made to create something else, which you see. This is something that visualizes the situation of Iran right now. The boom, you see, it's all black, like how the situation of Iran is right now. And this execution is happening in Iran. Huge, massive execution is happening. Yesterday they executed 122 years old boy. His name was Mohsen Shekari. He was an innocent boy, just came to a street like another Iranian young and teenager boy to ask for their dignity, freedom, and human rights, but unfortunately cut by government, and they hanged him only because of the burning some garbage dustbin between the street, and they executed him. So this is symbol of him that he was very innocent, and they hanged him, they executed him. And in the dark situation of Iran, and this hand print which you see, palm print which you see is with blood, they are people of Iran, the young people, women and men who are trying to bring freedom and sacrificing their life for Iran. And as you see, they are now becoming close to what they dream and what they wish for Iran. They are getting and reaching to the brightness to our country, and we are very hopeful. This darkness always light is wins, against darkness. So we are very hopeful that our revolution, which calls woman life freedom revolution, ends with victory.